AlphaCNC Company Limited, based in Jinan City, is a professional supplier of high-performance CNC machines. We specialize in developing and supply advanced furniture production lines, CNC routers, edge banding machines, panel saws, and laser machines designed to enhance productivity and precision across various sectors. Our products are widely used in industries such as woodworking, signage, metalworking, and stone processing. With a strong customer base in over 100 countries, our machines have earned a global reputation for reliability and innovation. We proudly export to the USA, UK, Russia, Spain, Germany, Austria, Italy, Korea, India, Brazil, South Africa, Vietnam, and Indonesia, building lasting partnerships worldwide. Guided by the principle of the best or nothing, we are committed to delivering not only reliable quality machinery, but also comprehensive and responsive service. All customers are warmly welcomed. Our after-sales team consists of highly skilled technicians, each with over 10 years of field experience, providing 7 days, 24 hours on-site training, and rapid technical support to minimize downtime. To facilitate smooth communication, our sales representatives are fluent in English, Russian, Spanish, French, and Arabic. We offer flexible OEM and ODM services and welcome custom machine orders tailored to your specific production needs. At Alpha, we value innovation and collaboration, and we look forward to cooperating with you to provide solutions that drive your success.